Hello everyone. Today we will learn about the life of one of India's greatest spiritual leaders, Swami Vivekanand. His wisdom, courage, and vision continue to inspire millions of people around the world. Let's begin. Swami Vivekanand was born as Narendranath Datta on January 12, 1863 in Kolkata. He was born into a well-educated and respected family. From childhood, Narendra was intelligent, curious, and fearless. He loved sports, music, reading, and meditation. He was also deeply interested in understanding the truth about God and religion. As a young man, he often asked religious leaders on one important question: have you seen God? Most people could not give him a satisfying answer. Everything changed when Narendra met Ramakrishna Paramhansa at the Dakshineswar Kali temple. When Narendra asked him the same question, Ramakrishna replied, "Yes, I have seen God as clearly as I see you." This answer deeply impressed Narendra. Under Ramakrishna guidance, he learned spirituality, meditation, and the importance of serving humanity. Over time, Narendra became one of Ramakrishna's most devoted disciples. After the death of Ramakrishna in 1886, Narendra and his fellow disciples formed a spiritual brotherhood. Narendra took the name Swami Vivekananda. He traveled across India as a wandering monk. During these journeys, he saw the poverty, suffering, and struggles of ordinary people. These experiences convinced him that true religion was not only about worship but also about helping those in need. He believed that service to humanity is service to God. In 1893, Vivekananda traveled to the United States to attend the Parliament of the World's Religions in Chicago. At first, he faced many difficulties. He had little money and knew very few people. However, his determination never weakened. On September 11, 1893, Vivekananda delivered a speech that made history. He began with the famous words, "Sisters and Brothers of America." The audience immediately stood up and applauded him. In his speech, he spoke about tolerance, universal brotherhood, peace, and respect for all religions. He explained that all religions ultimately lead people toward the same truth. His message touched the hearts of thousands and brought international recognition to Indian spirituality. After the Chicago Conference, Vivekananda spent several years giving lectures in America and Europe. He taught the principles of Vedanta and yoga. People admired his intelligence, confidence, power, speaking skills. He helped many people understand Indian philosophy and spirituality. In 1897, Vivekananda returned to India and founded the Ramakrishna Mission. The mission focused on education, healthcare, relief work, spiritual development, service to society. Even today, the Ramakrishna Mission serves millions of people around the world. Swami Vivekananda taught several important lessons. Believe in yourself, be fearless, serve humanity, respect all religions, work hard to achieve your goals. One of the most famous quotes is, "Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached." The quote continues to motivate students, leaders, and professionals worldwide. Despite his tremendous achievements, Vivekananda's health began to decline at a young age. On July 4, 1902, he passed away at the age of only 39 at the Belur Math. Although his life was short, his impact was immense. Today, Swami Vivekananda is remembered as a spiritual giant, a great patriot, and a powerful messenger of peace and human unity. His birthday, January 12, is celebrated in India as National Youth Day. His teachings continue to inspire young people to dream big, work hard, and serve society. Swami Vivekananda showed the world the true strength comes from self confidence, knowledge, and compassion. His life teaches us to believe in ourselves, respect others, and dedicate our lives to making the world as a better place. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring biographies. Thank you.